Welcome to the Skilled MBA Social Enterprises Case Study Series. Today, we explore Maryknoll Convent School, a powerful example of a mission-driven institution shaping lives for over a century. Rooted in Catholic values and social responsibility, the school has continually evolved, integrating progressive educational practices while staying true to its founding mission. This unique blend of tradition and innovation has enabled Maryknoll Convent School to remain a pillar of social development and educational excellence in Hong Kong. Its legacy demonstrates how educational institutions can act as social enterprises, creating lasting impact while adapting to changing societal needs. In 1925, Maryknoll sisters from New York founded Maryknoll Convent School in Kowloon, aiming to deliver religious and moral education to young girls alongside academic excellence. Their progressive educational ideals, infused with Catholic values, established a foundation for one of Hong Kong's most esteemed educational institutions. The Red Brick Castle stands as a beacon of educational excellence and moral guidance in Hong Kong. Its iconic architecture symbolizes stability and tradition amidst the city's rapid transformation, embodying the school's commitment to enduring values and academic rigor. The school developed a reputation for academic excellence, with affordable tuition, making quality education accessible. It fostered not only academic achievement, but also moral character, spiritual growth, and service orientation. A strong alumni network of professional women continues to support the school's mission across generations. Maryknoll Convent School has a legacy of nurturing future leaders. Graduates have excelled as pioneering professionals in male-dominated fields, influential government officials, dedicated healthcare workers, and innovative educators. They also include business leaders known for their strong ethical foundations, embodying the school's commitment to service and excellence. In 2005, the Maryknoll sisters transitioned leadership after 80 years due to declining numbers in Hong Kong. The Maryknoll Convent School Foundation was established, led by alumni and former staff. This foundation continues the sisters' mission, preserving traditions while adapting to contemporary challenges. The Maryknoll Convent School Foundation, established in 2005, introduced a volunteer-led governance model. This structure is primarily composed of dedicated alumni, ensuring the preservation of the school's Catholic ethos and commitment to educational excellence. Their leadership continues to uphold the values instilled by the Maryknoll sisters, adapting to contemporary educational challenges. The Maryknoll sisters' educational philosophy emphasizes instilling knowledge, virtue, diligence, harmony, modesty, and simplicity in students. These values are not just theoretical, but serve as the foundation for a life dedicated to serving others, ensuring that education extends beyond academics to foster holistic development. Hong Kong's declining birth rates have reduced student enrollment, challenging schools to maintain vibrant communities. The emigration wave further destabilizes school communities, necessitating adaptive strategies. Additionally, new national education policies demand curriculum adjustments, balancing innovation with core values. These factors collectively shape the educational landscape, requiring strategic responses to sustain quality education. MCS navigates the delicate balance of honoring its century-old heritage while embracing modern educational innovations. Integrating technology is crucial, yet maintaining human connection remains a priority. Upholding Catholic values in a secular society is essential, as is preparing students for global challenges while preserving their local identity. This balance ensures a holistic education. Students engage in service learning, aiding elderly homes, children's hospitals, and environmental projects in Kowloon. School programs preserve Hong Kong's cultural heritage through arts and historical studies. The alumni network supports social causes and mentors younger women, fostering a strong community impact beyond academics. As Maryknoll Convent School nears its centennial in 2025, the community reflects on its rich legacy and traditions. This milestone is a time for celebration and strategic planning, ensuring continued educational excellence and service. The focus is on embracing innovation while steadfastly preserving the school's core values for future generations. Maryknoll Convent School faces pivotal questions. How to uphold its moral and spiritual mission amidst Hong Kong's changing educational landscape. Is the volunteer-led foundation model sustainable for long-term governance? What innovations will prepare graduates for future challenges while preserving core values? Addressing these will shape the school's next century. Maryknoll Convent School exemplifies a century-long dedication to integrity, leadership, and compassionate service. Its alumni have significantly contributed to Hong Kong's development, embodying timeless values. This legacy highlights the school's profound impact on society, nurturing individuals who lead with moral conviction and social responsibility. Explore how Skilled MBA leverages social enterprise to drive educational innovation. Discover their strategies for impactful learning and community engagement. Learn how they connect with learners globally, offering insights into real-world challenges and solutions. Their approach exemplifies the fusion of education and social impact, fostering a new generation of informed, socially responsible leaders. Thank you for being part of this journey with Skilled MBA. Mobile, +91 875530795. Email support@skilledmba.com. Website https://skilledmba.com.